Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now is trading at 41 cents or 41,035. On the weekly time frame, we've seen Dogecoin experience a significant pullback so far in this week. A lot of selling aggression, especially from that recent high at the 48 cents last week. So again, we know that stock markets do play a lot of emotions here, and we have seen that kind of play out in this week itself. But not only that, we were considered as overbought from that 95% from that recent high, and then coming down to the 75% of the RSI. We are still considered as overbought territory, so we may see a drop in the price continue itself. As we can see, this body here is getting quite big. Again, so far for the week here, the low we have had was 36 cents. We have seen some cooling off in terms of our momentum going into that sell aggression of the bears here. In terms of our histograms, these bars are getting small. That measures momentum. Also, the histogram color is getting lighter. So we are seeing that kind of cooling off period where we're not really aggressively in terms of the bulls itself. But let's kind of dive a little bit deeper in the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame here, back in December 9th, we have seen a breakthrough essentially from our trend line that was very, very crucial in continuing this uptrend. As we saw that break between the trend line, we see a small little uptick in terms of our volume. For that sell day itself, a lot of selling was happening. We can see it in this candlestick itself, this engulfing candlestick from that previous high here. Now going into the next characteristics of our candlesticks, we could potentially see this as a ascending triangle here where we're making a dead stop at a resistance level at our 42.43, and we are making a lot of lower high candlesticks. The only thing about this candlestick or this chart pattern itself is the last three candlesticks I'm a little concerned about, or actually the last candlestick itself. This candlestick here, we do see a lot or not a lot, sorry, a smaller body and a smaller wick and bottom wick here. So it does show a little bit more indecision in terms of the marketplace, in terms of the bulls and the bears. If this candlestick that we are currently at closes above the previous close around 49, so around 40 cents itself, and we close above it, it may trigger a confirmation of a retest of our immediate support here at that 42 cents. So again, we are going to be taking a look at this for tomorrow and see that confirmation. If it does close, we may retest that resistance level. Taking a look at some of our indicators as well on the daily time frame, we do see the RSI is at 46%. Again, the 46% has moved very, very far from the overbought territory. Not quite as neutral here. We do see potential up gains or downtrends as well, depending on the price action and the volume. As we can see, the price coming up into the last couple of days, we've seen a decrease of volume. So essentially, we are waiting for that breakout, either an uptrend or downtrend, but essentially we do need to close above that previous close of the previous candlestick here. Now, when we take a look at our momentum that measures our MACD indicator, or MACD indicator measures our momentum, we do see these histograms getting lighter in color. Long term too, we can see that the MACD indicator line itself is above zero. So we are still looking at a bullish sentiment for long term on our daily time frame. We do see lighter in the color, but most importantly, it does kind of look like these histograms are shrinking, which is going to help us at retest of our resistance level. Now, quickly going over the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price itself for Doge has broken below our consolidation line, but most importantly, it retraced back to it. So this does give us some hopes in terms of the bulls trying to push the price, but it does seem like we are going to still kind of go sideways for the price itself. So we are going to be going into another consolidation range where the price is going to have the immediate resistance here at 41,669. So essentially we are testing the resistance of our 50% if we do see some bullish indicators, and we almost see that happening right now. We do see a close, potentially a close above our 20 moving average. Essentially, this will give us a edge, a push towards the recent resistance level of 41. In terms of our RSI here, we are at 56%. It is very neutral where the price can go up or the price can come down. We do need to see ideally the volume kind of increase, and we have seen that from the previous 4-hour time frame. We do want to see it increase, but most importantly, this body itself needs to get a little bit more stronger opposed to this high wick. If it does stay like this here with a higher wick itself, then it may be cautionary for the price to come down to an area of support at 47.39. But essentially, we are playing this out as a consolidation range. That Dogecoin in the short term, immediate short term here, is going to go sideways until we see that immediate resistance test or that support being broken. And then if we do break that support here at 47, we may see that immediate second support closer down to these candlestick wicks here around the 39.8. But that's my video here for Dogecoin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.